Hello YouTube. I hope you're doing fine today, and if you're watching this video, then we are going to learn an amazing Excel shortcut which can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working on the large number of datas. I have a sample sheet over here. Let's get to the computer screen and see how you can do it. If you're working on large datas, then you might be facing, in order to rearrange or clean the data before doing any analysis on that, you need to clean the data up and put it in the proper format. This is a raw data over here, and I got multiple blank rows in this data right here. And right now I do have almost 11 records, okay, and you may be working on like thousands of records or hundreds of records, and in order to do it in a bulk way, you can simply use this trick. Let's not just waste your more time and get to this trick. Alright, if you want to delete all the empty rows, you need to select the column A. Alright, by clicking on the column A, I'll press Ctrl G button over here. After pressing Ctrl plus G button, I'll click this window on the special tab. I've clicked here and clicked on the blanks and pressed OK. This will select all the blank cells available in column A. So I'll press Ctrl minus button, which is a shortcut to delete any cell or selected areas in Microsoft Excel. Then I will select the entire row. Alright, boom, and you can see all the rows were deleted on pressing a single key, and this can save you a lot of time. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and I would like to thank all the subscribers who gave good response on my last videos. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe it, and tell me from which part of the world you're watching this video in the comments. Have a great day.